Miss Pat is giving what she's supposed to give. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Conversations with Candace. I'm Candace and we're going to be conversing today. It's been a minute since I've been on here. I'm so excited to be back and I'm talking about makeup things today. I am going to show you two looks that I've done with the Pat McGrath Mothership. I believe it's 5. It's the letter V. Bronze Seduction palette. I have it right here. I'm going to show you the two looks that I've already done, and then I'm going to do a look today. Here's the palette. It's super beautiful. The packaging that it came in was actually even more beautiful, and I wish that the decorations that was on the box came on this palette, but it's heavy, it's luxurious. I will show you the inside of it, and obviously you can tell I've used it, but all the colors are super magical, and to me these go on really velvety and smooth. It's just enough pigment, but it's not chalky. I really love this palette. And I'm glad that I do love it because it was expensive. This is the most expensive makeup thing I've ever purchased, and it took me a long time to even want to purchase it. It retails for $125. And I remember posting about it on my Instagram and my Facebook, and one of my friends actually cashed at me $25 to go on it. And that was really sweet of her. But I purchased this a couple of months ago. It was $125 plus tax, and shipping was free, but it was $135.31. So I said, if I pay this much for this, I'm going to be using it every chance that I get. So let's go into the looks that I've already done. I'm going to put them here next to the video so you can see them. These tones really go great with my skin, I feel like, and they're very like mature colors, kind of playful, but really more like Bronze Seduction. Like, it fits the name. So the first look I did was kind of edgy, and I've been really living my best makeup life on Instagram and a little bit on TikTok, but they be tripping, but mainly on Instagram. So if you want to see more looks, follow me there. But the first look is my thumbtack mask look, and I used about 4 colors from this palette, and honestly, I was in love as soon as I put it on. And what I really liked is that even though I didn't wear this look all day, I did wear the second look all day, and it really stayed looking luxurious all day. It was absolutely giving bedroom eyes. It was giving like, let's go ahead and get this done. Let's go have some fun. Adult fun. So now that we've talked a little bit about the looks that I've already done, let's get into the look that I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna prep my eyebrows, put on the concealer on my eyes. I'll be right back and we're gonna get these looks together. So I'm back. I have my eyes prepped. I'm trying desperately to not have my concealer creasing on my lid, but that's okay because this shadow is gonna fix whatever is messed up with the concealer on my lids. So I'm gonna start off with the color Disobedient. It's pretty deep and I like it. I'm gonna put this in my transition shade. It's a little deeper than a normal transition shade, but that's okay because I want to go sultry, I want to go deep, and I'm just gonna put it right here in my crease and a little bit above my crease. I don't have a lot of lid space, but I do want to make good use of the lid space that I have. And I'm just stippling it in right now. I want to get a good color, and then I'm going to windshield wiper and circular motion all the way back around to kind of dust that out, blend it out up into my brow bone a little bit. And I'm going to do the same on both sides. All right, so I have that on, and my hope is that my laptop is giving you the effect that it's giving in person, like this shade in person. It's giving like a smoky, deep, brownish, grayish situation, but if not, I'm gonna take a picture so you can see exactly what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go into Blitz Flame. That is this red shade right here, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. It's a little bit of shimmer, and it's just a really sexy color. I want that all over my lid so it can pop. I usually only use that in like a small section, but this time it's gonna go all over. And I'm gonna use a small tapered blending brush to do that. So we're just gonna tap, tap, tap it on. A little tap, 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 tap. And we're not adding too much from the palette. I just really want a subtly beautiful color. When I tap, I don't get too much payoff, but when I do a little brush like that, baby girl, she is beautiful. And I want to blend that all the way up to my crease so it can blend in with that darker color. Because I want these to blend really well, I'm going to take this dual fiber brush. It's pretty soft and like wispy. I'm just going to blend in between these two colors until you can't tell where one stops and one starts. Now I am going to do an inner corner highlight with one of these colors, and I'm going to do my under eye with a different color, but what I want to do first is finish my face, because between the like concealer and the contour and the setting powder, if I do my inner corner and my under eye now, I feel like it's just going to get lost in the other makeup processes. So let me finish that up. I'm going to come back, show you my inner corner and my under eye, and then give you a whole look. All right, I'm back. I've lined my eyes. I put a little bit of extra concealer underneath my eyes. I know it's giving big flashback energy right now. Just bear with me. I'm going to go ahead and do my under eye and my inner corner highlight. Now that I've done most of my contouring, I'm going to use the color Extreme Aubergine, which is this deep plum purpley amazing beautiful color, and I have a flat brush, and I just want to go ahead, go underneath my eyes here, and I want to give me like a smoked out liner look. Baby, I love this color so much. Last thing I'm gonna do with this palette is take this white color, which is Astral Luna Gold. I'm going to put that in my inner corner, and then on top of that, I'm going to put the VR Opal, which is like a pinkish color, and then that's going to pop, and I'll finish up my makeup look. So let me get this inner corner on real quick. One thing I forgot is my brow bone. And on the brow bone, I'm gonna put the Bronze Blaze. And I think I'm gonna also tap into the Skin Show Divine Glow. So Bronze Blaze is here, Skin Show Divine Glow is here. And I'm just gonna tap some of that off and put it right there just to give her a little shimmer. She's giving what she's supposed to give. All right, I'm gonna finish up with lashes and my contour and all that, and I'll come right back with the final look. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final look. It's actually been about an hour since I did this look. I got completely sidetracked because it is raining cats and dogs outside. It is raining so hard right now. It's actually affecting my lighting. I usually use natural light and my ring light or my studio light, but things are just different right now. But here's the final look. I'm in love with it. Miss Pat is giving what she's supposed to give, like real life. I did use some of the shimmer shades on my nose. I actually mixed a couple of them on my nose and on my cheekbones. I love this palette. And for $125, you better love it. Like, you need to love it. I ordered directly from Pat McGrath's website. I know that some stores probably sell it too, but I just wanted to get it from the site, make sure I got the like legit version, and she's giving. She's definitely giving, and yeah. Let me know if you have purchased this palette or any of the Pat McGrath items. Like, I be on a budget, so I'm probably not going to be purchasing anything else for a while. I cannot afford it, guys. But my lashes are Bonsu Beauty. I use the NARS Soft Matte Foundation. Anything that you need to know about my makeup, you can probably find on my Instagram. So follow me on Instagram at Conversations with Candace. You can follow me on TikTok as well. And until next time, y'all have a great day.